Hey guys, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Global Graphics with a video tutorial showing you how to design this. It's actually my birthday poster, and this is just the second slide. I've designed something about my birthday poster for the first time. Okay, I designed the second one. Okay, like the second slide of it. Okay, so if you are new here, please kindly subscribe to this channel in order not to miss any of my future uploading, and also turn on the notification bell icon. Yeah, so without wasting time, guys, let's head into today's tutorial. So guys, here with me, this was the first design that I did for that was my birthday, okay? And I also think about, I was designing and I said I should give a second design, that's like a second slide. So without wasting time, guys, I'm gonna go right and say page 2, okay? This is the second design. I'm gonna go right to my rectangular tool, click on this, tap space bar, delete the tool, remove my outline, and give it a white color for now. So the next I want to do, I want to quickly import the stock images or resources by saying Ctrl I. You can check on the description link below for you to download the resources that I use for those second slide. Okay, this is right here. When you click on this, I'm going to say Ctrl A to select them all and import. And I'm going to release them right into my workspace. Okay, yes, it's not much though. It's not much. It's just some resources that I just apply. Okay, so just quickly check on it to download them. So these are the resources, guys. Let me quickly arrange them. Okay, this is the birthday test. Okay, the birthday theory test. And just this. Okay, guys, and this is the name of the font I use. Just Mozilla Code Tab. Kindly search for it online and download. Okay, if you already install it, it's no problem. I'm gonna click on the background and click OK. Open my shift key to adjust. Now adjust it properly. Okay, alright there. Holding my shift key to adjust this. Alright, so I'll go right to my transparency tool right now and change this from normal to multiply. Okay, so I'm going to reduce the opacity to 90. Okay, so this is it, guys. I'm going to take to my right hand power click right to my workspace, click on alt, edit it, click on feed to feed it to page. Okay, yes, so this is it, guys. I already applied the white color to it, so this is it. Okay, yes, so the next thing I want to quickly do now is click on this figure area, click on P, figure it down, just take my shift key, make it smaller a little, just take it down. Okay, I'm going to bring this one right here, make it smaller. Okay, it's gonna be right here. Let's do it right here, and I'm gonna bring this up. Okay, smaller. I'm gonna shift key. I'll click this into my workspace. Let's take this up just like a style. So therefore, this vector play right now. I'm gonna adjust it. I'm making it smaller. Sorry. Okay, leave this right there and bring this. So adjust this. Okay, where I could just delete this and go right into my other one. So go out copy. I've already did the design about this. Right into my workspace, edit and do Ctrl V just to paste it. Click on finish. I'm gonna take this right now, click on Ctrl X to cut it. Go right here and say edit to V. Paste it right there. Click on finish. Same with this Ctrl X, edit, Ctrl V to paste it. Okay. Finish. I'm gonna click on this. I could delete this and just go right here.
More
Because it's
music
already
on
designed ready to copy
trendybeats.com.
this. No, I'm gonna copy it. Also copy this already. I'm go ahead and see edit. It's not gonna waste time because I already did the design about this. Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna click on finish now. You can see function F4. So the next thing I wanna do right now, guys, I wanna bring in those vector for the previous design. This one right here. Okay. And click on Alt to copy it. We'll go right here and go right here and go to the page 2. Control V. Edit, Ctrl V to paste it. Okay, there's I'm gonna click on this one right here, shift page up, let it be above it. Okay, shift page up also for this peak. Okay, and shift page up. So this is it, guys. Click on finish. One more thing, guys, edit, click on this one, shift page up, shift page up. Okay, you can see the processes, guys. Just follow the process to get the exact thing you want your network. But I'm not going to waste any time in this design. It's already a job done before. Okay, so just edit this right now, click on this one, I'm going to adjust it carefully. Okay, yes guys, you can create this with your rectangular tool and symbol. I just bring it out so it won't waste any time. If you're not for, click on the bevel text, click on P, adjust it, just edit it and make it smaller. Okay, yes guys, so this is it. This for this. So the next time I want to do, guys, I want to quickly apply the mini text that I use for this design. Okay, yes. So guys, this is it. This is the necessary text that I applied. You know how we got this actually. I just brought it here in the previous design, same with this, and I just added this one, so it's not no big deal. And I just changed the color and I put right here and make this ellipse darker, and I make this one to be this color right here. Okay, yes, so it's no big deal, guys. You can also do it, just follow the exact same process like we did on the previous design. I added this kind. You can see how I just did it, right? You can use your color picker to pick this color right there and apply it to this. Okay, it's no big deal, it's just very simple. Okay, we'll adjust this text right now. Okay, so you can okay with this. Also, this is how I came into this design. You can see very simple. It's no big deal. It's from review from first design that I did right here. So I just said I should do something unique again. Okay, it was my birthday, so I just did two design for my birthday. Okay, all I should will be CorelDraw. So thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. If there's any place you don't understand with this video, comment and I will hesitate to reply you. Okay, yes guys, thank you for watching. I will make logo graphics. Yes, just adjust this text. Okay, and I'm done. All right.